Hi, in today's video we're going to go through exploring how to make audio and video clips using CapCut, the audio from CapCut, how to use transitions with audio clips. The video on the end, there's a transition tutorial. There's also a playlist on how to use CapCut for PC. Thanks for watching this video. Hi, in this video we're going to see how you can add a transition and also add an audio effect to it. So if I tap in the middle of the transition and then go to transitions, you can just drag the transition down. And I go to the search box and type in smoke. Black. So here we've got the black transition. If I drag that down, then if I go to audio, and I type in fire, let me listen to it. I can't hear it at the moment because I've got the mic plugged in. I will add this sound effects anyway. So it's added it onto the end of the track. Let's get rid of all this stuff. So we don't want that sound effect to be too long. So we reduce the sound effect. So it's like an L cut. So it's like that. You'll see the other way around because I'm recording, and we're going to have a bit of a J cut on there as well for the sound. So I'm going to add a fade in and fade out. Just going to move myself over. I'm going to send the audio up, the audio volume. I'll move myself back. Let's play it and try it. Can't hear it because I'm recording my own voice. I will put this at the beginning of the video so you can hear the sound effects. All these sound effects here are all obtained using CapCut. So I just typed what I wanted in the search box above. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and watch the video at the end.